good morning. Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Mommy. I will just be talking about the tea that I made this morning. It's about ginger tea. But anyway, in the ginger tea, I put turmeric, honey, apple cider vinegar, and lemon. It's a really good tea. You gotta give it a try because it's really good for you. And every day, 1 hour before breakfast, and it's been a year, or probably more than a year now, that I've been drinking that tea. I drink it once a day, every morning, or you could drink it like twice a day. You can add it to your diet too. It's really good.
Healthy.
Yeah, it's really healthy.
And it can get rid of your coughs, colds, and sneezes.
Yeah, and winter, like last year, winter, we always get like, colds and coughing and, this stuff like that we don't want. And yeah, and so we've been drinking that tea for a year, me and my husband, and then it really helps because usually, like winter, everybody gets
coughs and sneezes, and it's contagious.
Yeah. Oh, and it's really tasty. And yeah, leave us a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And yeah, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Are you done yet?
You're gonna do your video too. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Cooking with Mommy. Today I'll be showing you how to make ginger tea. And these are the ingredients here: ginger, lemon, honey, and apple cider vinegar. This one I have to put this in the pot, boil it. I have to peel this one and put it in the pot and slice it. And I will only be using like half of this lemon. Okay, peeling this one. Okay, I have this pot. I only put like, I think, more than a cup of water here, and my ginger is already in there. And then I have to turn this stove. And later, then I will be putting a turmeric. Not too much. I was just using like a quarter teaspoon of a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. It's in there already. Then I have to bring that to a boil. I have to wait. And then I have to slice that lemon. Cut it in half. Usually I put 2 cups of water, because me and my husband likes to drink this tea, ginger tea. But since that I will just be drinking by myself, so I have like more than a cup of water in there. Okay, it starts to boiling right now, and then I have to turn that off. Okay, the oven is off, and then I have to move this over here and leave it for 15 minutes. Okay, and now I will be straining this tea. The roots in my tea. See, I don't want that one. And that's how it looks.
Morning, Mom.
Good morning, baby. And then I will be adding just half teaspoon. That much to add sweetness to your tea, because if you put apple cider vinegar and lemon in there, it's gonna be sour if you don't have honey. And then a tablespoon of lemon. Just gonna squeeze it. There. Because I don't want the seeds. I'm gonna throw this away.
Morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody. And then I will be adding the apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon. There. Whoops. Then the half of my lemon, I'll be using it tomorrow. That's my ginger tea. Give this a try, guys, and then it's really good for you. I've been drinking this tea every day before 1 hour before breakfast. But yeah, give this a try and see how you like it.